Welcome to Infinite Science. Today we explore one of the most terrifying scientific thought experiments imaginable. What would happen if the sun suddenly disappeared? Right now the sun is doing far more than simply lighting our days. It holds the entire solar system together. It provides the energy that powers Earth's climate, fuels photosynthesis, drives weather systems, and keeps our planet warm enough to support life. Without the sun, Earth would instantly become a completely different world. But the effects would not happen all at once. Something very surprising would occur first. For a short moment, everything on Earth would seem completely normal. Then, chaos would begin. Let's explore exactly what would happen to Earth, the solar system, and life itself if the sun suddenly vanished. Chapter 1. The first 8 minutes, if the sun disappeared right now, we would not notice immediately. This might sound impossible, but it is actually a direct result of physics. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. Gravity also travels at the speed of light, according to Einstein's theory of general relativity. This means that even if the sun vanished instantly, Earth would continue orbiting normally for about 8 minutes. The sky would still be bright, birds would still be flying, cities would still be busy, nothing would seem wrong. But exactly 8 minutes later, the last sunlight would reach Earth. Then everything would change. The sun would vanish from the sky. Instantly the world would fall into darkness. Not twilight, not night, complete darkness. The moon would disappear as well because it only shines by reflecting sunlight. The planets would vanish. The sky would become filled only with distant stars. At that same moment, Earth would stop orbiting the sun. Our planet would begin traveling in a straight line through space. Earth would officially become a rogue planet. Chapter 2. The first 24 hours. The first day after the sun disappears would be terrifying but not immediately deadly. Earth's atmosphere and oceans store a tremendous amount of heat. That heat would keep the planet warm for a short period. Temperatures would begin falling quickly. Within the first day, global temperatures would drop to about 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Large cities would lose solar power instantly. Air travel would become dangerous due to sudden darkness. Navigation systems depending on solar positioning could fail. But the biggest impact would be psychological. Humanity would realize something unimaginable had happened. The sun was gone, and it was not coming back. Chapter 3. The first week within the first week, Earth's temperature would fall dramatically. Average temperatures would drop to around -17 Celsius or 1 degree Fahrenheit. Most crops would begin dying because photosynthesis requires sunlight. Solar energy would disappear entirely. Power grids would struggle as global heating demands skyrocketed. Animals that rely on daylight cycles would become confused. Many ecosystems would collapse almost immediately. But surprisingly, the oceans would still remain mostly liquid. Water holds heat extremely well. For a short time, life in the oceans would continue. However, the collapse had already begun. Chapter 4. The first year after 1 year without the sun, Earth would become almost completely frozen. The average global temperature would drop to around -73 Celsius or -100. Oceans would freeze over with thick layers of ice, but interestingly, the oceans would not freeze completely. Beneath several kilometers of ice, liquid water would still exist. This is because Earth's internal heat from radioactive decay inside the planet would continue warming the deep ocean. Life near hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor could survive. These ecosystems do not rely on sunlight. Instead, they depend on chemical energy from Earth's interior. Some bacteria, tube worms, and other deep-sea organisms might survive for millions of years. But life on the surface would largely disappear. Plants would die. Herbivores would starve. Predators would follow. Human survival would become extremely difficult. Chapter 5. The fate of humanity. Humanity would face the greatest challenge in its history. Without the sun, agriculture would collapse. Food production would fail within months. Most humans would not survive the first few years. However, survival might still be possible. Large underground facilities powered by nuclear energy or geothermal power could support small populations. Scientists believe underground habitats could maintain stable temperatures and artificial lighting. Hydroponic farming could produce food. Artificial ecosystems might keep small human communities alive. Places near geothermal hotspots like Iceland or volcanic regions could become survival zones. Human civilization would shrink dramatically, but it might not disappear entirely. Chapter 6. The solar system without the sun. The disappearance of the sun would not only affect Earth. Every planet in the solar system would be released from orbit. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would all fly off into space. Each planet would travel in the direction it was moving at the moment the sun vanished. The entire solar system would dissolve. Jupiter, with its enormous gravity, might capture some of its moons and continue drifting through the galaxy as a mini-planetary system. Earth would continue traveling through the Milky Way as a frozen rogue planet. Astronomers believe billions of rogue planets already exist in our galaxy. If the sun disappeared, Earth would simply become one of them. Chapter 7. Could Earth ever find a new star over millions or billions of years? Earth might pass near another star, but the chances are extremely small. Space is unimaginably vast. Even though our galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, the distance between them is enormous. If Earth did encounter another star system, the gravitational forces might capture it. In theory, Earth could become a planet orbiting a new star, but by that time, the planet would likely be a frozen wasteland. Any surviving life would exist deep underground or beneath the oceans. Chapter 8. The long-term future of Earth. Millions of years after the sun disappeared, Earth would still exist. The atmosphere would gradually freeze and fall to the surface as snow. Oceans would remain buried under kilometers of ice. The surface would be completely dark. The only light would come from distant stars and occasional cosmic events. Yet beneath the ice, something remarkable might still exist. Life. Microbial ecosystems powered by geothermal energy might survive for incredibly long periods. In some ways, Earth would resemble icy moons like Europa or Enceladus, which scientists believe may contain oceans beneath their frozen surfaces. Chapter 9. Why this scenario is nearly impossible. Thankfully, the sun cannot simply disappear. Stars do not vanish instantly. Our sun is about 4.6 billion years old and is expected to live for another 5 billion years. Eventually, it will expand into a red giant and later collapse into a white dwarf. But this process will happen gradually over millions of years. There is no realistic scenario where the sun suddenly vanishes. Still, exploring these extreme possibilities helps scientists understand how important the sun truly is. Without it, Earth would transform from a vibrant blue world into a silent frozen planet drifting through space. In conclusion, the sun is not just a star in the sky. It is the engine that powers life on Earth. Every plant, every animal, every ocean current, and every breath we take ultimately depends on the energy of the sun. If the sun suddenly disappeared, humanity would have only minutes before the darkness arrived. Within weeks, ecosystems would collapse. Within years, the surface of Earth would freeze. Yet deep beneath the ice, life might continue quietly for millions of years. Our planet would become a wandering world, a frozen traveler drifting through the galaxy, a reminder of just how fragile and extraordinary life on Earth truly is. If you enjoy exploring the biggest mysteries of the universe, subscribe to Infinite Science for more mind-blowing cosmic discoveries and scientific thought experiments. And remember, the universe is far stranger than we can imagine.